Ah, no, it's the wheel. The fair. Oh, no.
No, 'cause it's going too far. Look,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
flying off into another direction then.
No, I thought it was...
We're in completely the wrong direction. Nothing over there. Oh yes, look at that.
Someone with the drone. Oh, that was nice. Look better in the air.
I have zoomed in, look. I can't zoom in anymore. That's it.
Look, look, it's one with the drone. Look, they're going close.
It must be a drone, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you imagine if you got one right above it? That'd be nuts.
Look, someone else underneath there, look.
Oh yeah. Either that or it's that.
Yeah, because it's red and green.
Either that or it's that International Space Station thing that was meant to have gone past, but they said it was going past at 9 o'clock.
Oh, look, that drone. Yeah, there's a drone. Red and green.
Where are the cats? Because they're Fruit Loops, they don't like the fireworks. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. Yeah, that is beautiful.
Can't even see them so much smoke.
Whoa. Yeah, but on here looks good. What, did they rob fireworks? Factory or something? Look at the seagulls. Yeah, look, there's one of the drones I think is going right in the middle of it. Look, you can see. I don't know where the other one is.
Down there.
Oh, right, okay. No, the one with fireworks. Yeah, I can see it's just flying past.
I think they killed the other drone.
I think.
Look,
Who's
there was only one.
Who's actually put the drone up?
Anyone.
Oh, anyone's put it. Oh, right,
I could have done it.
okay. Yeah, but you didn't get a drone.
Need to get it.
Yeah, I know. So we just think we could send a drone all over Jersey. It's that
Yeah.
small.
But they got too much fire. Smoke.
Smoke, yeah, I know. What do you expect? That's what fireworks are.
Oh,
That is nice.
that's nice. Look, there was one landing just
Yeah.
now.
Where are they doing it from? The castle? Is that it?
Look the drum going on. It was like, look. See?
Well, oh yeah,
Over there?
yeah. Hold on, let me do it.
It's on top of that with the bright light.
Yeah, I think so. And the other one's going over that way. There you go, with the bright light on the left.
Yeah.
There. Yeah.
Look. Oh, it's going down.
It's going in the smoke at the moment.
Look, it's going back up. Look.
Oh,
I'm a fucking moron. There's the fair. There's the actual thing going around. There's
oh
the
yes,
drone.
that's the fair. Yes, the drone.
Look,
yeah, I've
can
got
you
the
see
drone.
it?
I've got the drone, and I've got
The Air Max thingy.
the Air Max going up in the air. Yes.
Look, the drone is flying around. Look,
Yeah, it's
on
flying
top
above
of
it.
The fair.
Yeah, it's above. Literally now, it's above the Air Max. Yeah. Yeah, I can see that. That is nuts.
That's it.
I think it's the last night as well today, isn't it? The fair.
Well, where's the date today?
16th. Is it? No,
No,
11th.
11th. We've got another few days.
Oh,
I want to
fine.
go tomorrow though.
Okay, we can go tomorrow.
Tomorrow is
Saturday.
Yeah. I want to go at night time. I want to try that at night time. Look, another drone. That one landed, and the other one who's coming back. Look, can you
No,
see it?
another one. Yeah.
Yeah, the other one went into the mount. Towards the mount. He landed down there.
Right, okay.
And look, there is another
Yeah,
one.
I know, I can see it. I've got it now.
She's turning around.
Yeah. We need to get one for sure.
Look, look. It's quick.
Yeah, but Jersey's so
It looked
small.
like Jersey's on fire. Look, if you see all the smoke there.
No, I know there'll be people saying, "Oh, Jersey's
Look,
on
look,
fire.
you can see it.
Jersey's on fire." That's what they'll be saying next.
But
Right.
the only thing I can't take it off from here
Why?
because of, look, I need to practice.
Oh, you just go downstairs and you just take it off from downstairs.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
right, I'll
need to
switch
try
it
to
off
make
now.
it land here.
Jesus, look at the smoke. Smoke's going up that way. Ah. Jesus. But that actually, for Jersey, was a pretty
Decent.
good, decent display. Yeah. Right, let me get it to 7 and then.
We're still flying around the drone.